Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. It has Z51, the 6.2-liter V8 automatic transmission, ground effects, transparent roof, and is painted in Arctic white, the two-tone adrenaline red and jet black interior. All right, we're gonna start here at the back. So we got our trunk lid open. So we can walk up, you're gonna see the privacy shade, and then we have the removable roof. This one is the transparent version. Let's just lift this up and I'll show you underneath. So it's got that nice tint to it. We do have the WeatherTech trunk liner in here. It's all carpeted underneath as well. Just lift this up and we do have a storage compartment down below. So you can store some items there. And on this side, you're gonna see a 12-volt socket to charge your battery with a trickle charger. All right, closing up the trunk lid. We'll zoom out. You can see the black dash coming back here. You can see that beautiful white paint. It has the rear spoiler, the chrome badges, and then down below it features the NPP performance exhaust, which allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet or vice versa by opening and closing valves. So an active exhaust system. As we come to the wheels, we have the black Z51 style wheel. It's a 5-split rim, black aluminum. We got a rear tire size of a 285/30 ZR20, and the Z51 gives you the performance brakes, and we have the bright red brake calipers. Let's check out that front wheel. So you can see the brakes are even larger in the front, and those red calipers say Corvette on them. The front tire size is staggered, so 245/35 is ZR19, so we got 19s and 20s. Let's check out the interior next. So two-tone door panel. So we got the jet black uppers, the adrenaline red stitching, and the adrenaline red armrest. The Bose sound system, so you got the subwoofer in the trunk as well. We got electronic door release, power windows, and locks. Here's our dash, nice and clean. Let's open up the glove box. So we got books in there. Let's check out the door jambs, nice and tidy. Your Corvette kick plate looks good. WeatherTech floor liners up front as well, so the matching set. The 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar, and we'll scan the seat. So again, two-tone seats, the adrenaline red with the jet black suede inserts. And we'll go ahead and close the door, start back here, show that profile, that spoiler. Walking down here, you can see the carbon flash vents. There's your two-tone seats, looks fabulous against that white. We got the carbon flash mirrors. And then there's your black wheels from this angle, looking great. And down below we have the full side skirt done in carbon flash metallic. On the fender we got the chrome Stingray right behind the vent. LED projector headlights, and we have the stage 2 front spoiler matching the side skirts. Again, done in the carbon flash. That all feels good to me down below. We have front cameras, and we'll check out underneath the hood next. So we got the hood liner, the Corvette flags. Here's the engine. It's the 6.2-liter V8 producing 460 horsepower. It's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And of course, the Z51 gives you a dry sump oil system and all the other performance goodies. And let's just hop over here. We have a little sneaky surprise. We have this Vortex Supercharger made by A&A Corvette. And look at that nice system. Look how well that is designed. This one will boost it up a lot more horsepower. All right, we'll close the hood. Make our way up front here. Look at the paint. So it's been 5-stage polished by our team already. So it is ready to go. You can see how well that looks. Just a beautiful car. Let's make our way to the sides and show you the wheels. All right, back to our interior. So two-tone, we got the black with the adrenaline red stitching and the armrest. Bose sound system, power locks, memory for your driver, windows, and your door release. Here's our dash. So we got heads-up display. That's what that slot is. So that will project onto the windshield. Here's our door jambs. Your Corvette kick plate looks good. Jambs all look good. Here's our pedals, WeatherTech floor liners, your 8-way seat, and look at this. Two-tone, and it just looks just as nice on the driver's side. All right, we'll jump in. Let's close up the door. Got the vent over here, dash dimming lights. Here's your power mirror functions, heads-up display controls, trunk release of your theft deterrent on the steering column, power tilt telescopic wheel. Your headlight controls, we have paddle shifts on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Cruise control, we have audio down below, arrow keys, Bluetooth, and your windshield wiper settings. It's a push button start. We're gonna start it up. All right, we'll zoom out, check out the wheels. So we got the black leather wheel with the contours, the flat bottom steering wheel. We got the Corvette flags in the center. Let's come into the gauge cluster next. So we have analog gauges on the side, digital in the center. Check out the mileage, only 26,825 kilometers. Up in the visor, you got the universal garage door opener. Here's your light sensitive mirror. Down below, your vent and your 8-inch touchscreen. So we have some extra options as well. We have projection, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect up your phone to the screen. We have factory navigation, so that's another bonus, another option. Performance data recorder, another option. We got your front cameras. So there's your rear camera. Let's put it in drive so we can see your front cameras. And of course, we already seen the rear camera there. I'll hit that screen button, that comes down. We got more storage with the USB slot. Media controls, and we got dual zone climate control, ventilated and heated seats. You got your Stingray badge. Here's our automatic shifter. It's done on the Alcantara to match the seats. We got a 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, electronic parking brake, traction control, and your mode selector. So let's swing it back into that dash. I'll show you the different drive modes. So you got weather mode to start with. Oh, there we go. Economy, tour, sport, and track mode. Okay, coming back down here, you got the red knee bolsters as well as the red armrest console lid. Put my hand in, you can see the depth of it. 12-volt socket with media ports. All right, I'm gonna open up the door. We got the headlights on, and we're gonna give it a few revs. And remember, it's got the supercharger. One more time. Hear it on the video, I'm assuming, but it sounds amazing in person. It's just a sleeper of a car. It's not just a regular Corvette. All right, here's our car with the lights on. Let's swing this one around, show you those LED tail lights, and listen to the exhaust at idle. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. It's got Z51. 6.2-liter V8 automatic transmission, ground effects, transparent roof, a supercharger, and is painted in Arctic white with the adrenaline red and jet black interior. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.